talk about when it's okay to let another adult take over in a behavior situation. This really depends on culture. It means the adults have a read on each other, that we watch out for each other. So if I'm in the hallway and it's an escalated situation, or anywhere for that matter, and another adult sees me kind of losing it, sees me trying to win something I'm not going to win. See, my job is not to win a battle with a 5-year-old or a 10-year-old or a 20-year-old for that matter. That's not why I come to work every day. But we can get caught up in that. And this child is going to behave for me. But if my colleague sees that and they step in, let them. Just let them. Just quietly, just back off. They will step in. They will support you. They will not undo anything that you have done. They may just have a fresh face, a different way to talk to the child. And what they're doing is supporting both you and the child. That is a healthy culture. There are times when you've got to step away and let somebody else take over. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.